Welcome to Knowledge Bites, friends. Today, we're sharing simple habits to stay organized and create a tidy life, perfect for your personal development journey. If you're ready to master life skills like time management and stress management, hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized lessons on self-care and productivity hacks. Why staying organized matters. Let's start with why staying organized is so important. It's not just about neatness. It's a powerful life skill. When your space is tidy and your tasks are in order, your stress levels drop, your mind feels clearer, and you save so much time. No more frustration, just a sense of calm control. That's why organization is key to self-improvement and a healthy lifestyle. It boosts your productivity, supports your mental well-being, and sets the foundation for success in every part of your life. Ready to transform your life with a tidy vibe? Practical habits for a tidy life. Let's dive into some practical habits to help you stay organized and create a tidy life. Declutter regularly. First up, declutter regularly. Go through your belongings and ask, do I really need this? Donate, recycle, or toss what no longer serves you, like that old pile of papers or clothes you haven't worn in years. A clutter-free space helps your brain relax and lets your priorities shine. It's a simple habit that supports stress management and a healthy lifestyle. Doesn't that feel liberating? Create a daily routine. Next, let's create a daily routine. Start with something small, like making your bed each morning or planning your day the night before. These consistent daily routines build structure into your life, keeping you on track like a pro. It's a key part of time management and personal development. Imagine starting your day with a win every time you make your bed. Use a planner or app. Now, let's talk about using a planner or app. They're total game changers. Write down your appointments, to-dos, and deadlines in a planner or digital app. This productivity hack helps you manage your time like a boss, ensuring you never miss a beat. Whether it's a meeting or a grocery list, having it all in one place keeps you organized and ready. Sounds like a stress saver, right? Organize your space. Next up, let's organize your space. Use shelves, bins, or drawers to give everything its own spot. Think labels for your desk supplies or a basket for your keys. Tidy spaces create tidy minds, helping you think clearly and focus better. It's a beautiful way to support self-care and reduce mental clutter. Imagine how good it'll feel to know exactly where everything is. Tidy up daily. Finally, make tidying up a daily habit. Spend just 5 minutes each day putting things away. Fold your clothes, clear your desk, or wash those dishes in the sink. These small actions add up, creating a tidy life that boosts your well-being. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference in your personal development. Ready to start with just 5 minutes tonight? A real-life story and fun fact to inspire you. Let's meet Emma, someone just like you. She used to feel overwhelmed, papers everywhere, missed deadlines, and constant stress. But after decluttering every week and using a planner to track her goals, everything changed. Now, Emma feels in control, calmer, and way more productive. It's like she found her inner peace. And here's a fun fact to inspire you. Did you know a tidy space can reduce stress by up to 20%? That's the power of organization tips on your mental health and daily life. Your journey to a tidy life. That's how to stay organized and create a tidy life, friends. If these organization tips inspired you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who'd love a tidier life too. Stay tuned for more lessons on life skills and personal development. Now, we want to hear from you. What's one habit you'll start today? Let's build a healthier lifestyle together.